Hi, this is Andy Doctor. Well, if your dishwasher doesn't do a good job and you think about getting a professional to check it or maybe get rid of it entirely, make sure you do this before you do that. This is a Kitchenaid dishwasher. This procedure should apply to most recent Whirlpool family dishwasher. If you do not know, Kitchenaids are made by Whirlpool anyway, together with Maytag. Now, I am not going to talk about the spray arm, and you need to make sure that the holes are clear and the filters should be clean, etc. Those, of course, is the first thing you need to check. That's not what I am going to talk about today. I do have an older video that you can check, and I put the link in the description. I encourage you to check that out if you do not know how to clean them. So assuming those are clean and assuming the dishwashers overall is working, you can listen to the noise. You know the water pump is running, but still your dishes are not clean. Well, let's check this. Okay. Now, first thing first, what you want to do is that you want to take the lower spray arm out, and what you can do is you grab on the bottom and turn it counterclockwise, and it will come out like this. And of course, you see that there is a hole here, the water coming out from here to the lower spray arm. There is another water hose out there to the back. We can just grab it and then take it out like that. And finally, the last piece. This one though, it's kind of a locking mechanism. You're going to need to lift it up a little bit, and then you turn it counterclockwise. Okay, now it's separate from each other. So you see a white plastic piece out here. If your dishes are not clean and you try everything else, it doesn't work, take this one out and put it aside. Run your dishwasher without this piece. Of course, you need to put everything else back, but not this one. This may say, are you kidding? No, I am not. I in fact have run the dishwasher for about 10 days without this piece. The dishes are as clean as it could be. It works like new, by the way. So this is how to do it, and let me tell you why. By the way, to make this video, I purposely put this piece back to show you the whole picture, okay? Like I said, I run it without this piece for 10 days now. So because of the effort, if you could, please make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I really appreciate that. So why? Well, like we said just now, there are 3 water holes to 3 different locations of the dishwasher. One to the upper arm, one to the lower arm, and one to the back. If you look at the plastic, you realize the holes is pretty tiny. You can actually fit to a water hose pretty well. Because of that, you should realize that at a given moment, only one location will have water. Maybe the upper, maybe the lower, maybe the back. Not all 3 at the same time. The advantage, of course, is all the water will go to one location, and you have more water and higher pressure. However, if it doesn't work here, okay, so the job of the diverter motor is to rotate this piece to distribute the water to different locations. But if the pump doesn't run anymore, of course, water will only go to one location, if at all. And your dishes is not going to be clean, at least not all of them. If the diverter motor is running, but the plate slip on it, then the efficiency will be a lot lower. And in extreme condition, if this piece is like this, the opposite way, no water will go to any of the spray arm, then of course all dishes will be dirty. When we run it without it though, we could get all the water to all 3 locations at the same time. Of course, it's going to be less water and lower pressure. But when you have this piece, you have more water, higher pressure, but you don't have continuous water. Which one is better? It's probably pretty difficult to determine, but from what I can tell you though, running without this, my dishes are clean. I said that just now. So try it, remove it, and try to see how it works. If it improves, then you know something wrong is at that location. Either the motor doesn't run, or the plate slip, or whatever. And honestly tell you, I am going to run the dishwasher without this piece from now on, and I don't care about whether the diverter motor is running or not. It doesn't really matter because my dishes are clean without it anyway. So let's put everything back, and then we will call it a day. To put it back, again, I'm not going to put the plate back. You want to more or less put it down. You hopefully remember where it is. It's kind of awkward to do it that way with the camera in front of it, I know. Okay, now turn it and make sure it locks. And then on the back, just like that. And finally, the spray arm, just put onto it, and then turn it. So you are good to go. And this is how to check it, and why that is the case, and how to put it back without that piece again. Okay, if you think this video is helpful for you and save you money from buying another dishwasher, please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.